did a quick video replacing the battery in the GSXR. The first half of the video was prepping the battery and getting it ready. The second half is actually getting to the battery and getting it out. So if that's all you need to see is getting the battery out and what to take off, skip ahead about 1 minute and that should get you right about to it. First thing we got to do is pull the acid out. Put the acid in the battery itself, then usually let it sit for a little while. We're going to go ahead and peel this off. That exposes it. Then we're going to pop the top of this off, and it's got some little aluminum foil you got to pop each off. And then we're going to go ahead and stick the stuff in the battery. So I got this taken off, and I got all the aluminum foil off, so it's ready to put on. Be sure you save this, because this is actually the cover that's going to go on the battery. Okay, let's go ahead and put the acid in it. We'll let that go ahead and drain into the battery. As you can see it gurgle in there. It's all the way drained free. Nothing else in there. We can go ahead and pop that off. And go ahead and stick that on. It took 2 hands to push that on. It fits in there pretty tight, obviously. Battery's already getting warm. The acid's already working. To get to the battery, it's underneath the seat. You got to remove these plastic pieces. There's a push pin there, a couple Velcro pieces, and it kind of tucks underneath there. You usually just kind of pull out. You're not going to break it, it just feels like it. You got to pull both sides off, and then there's an Allen head bolt right there. Those pieces removed and the bolts removed, the seat just lifts off and pulls forward. And there's your access seat battery. If I can make one suggestion, if you don't have one already, I would get a battery tender with the hookup. I just run mine out the side. I don't use it that often because I ride this every day, but for people up north, or if your bike's going to be sitting for a little while, it's a really good option to have, and it helps out quite a bit.